most famous physical therapist on the internet.
Hi, folks. I'm Bob Show, physical therapist.
Brad Heineck, physical therapist.
We're the most famous physical therapists on the internet.
In our opinion, of course,
Today,
Bob.
we're going to talk about how to do burpees without back injury risk, plus maximal fitness in 1 minute.
There you go, Bob.
And believe me, I'm happy that I'm not doing this today because this is going to be a workout.
Yeah, this is more for the athletic.
We got to bring a young gun in for this one. So, by the way, if you're new to our channel, please take a second to subscribe to us. We provide videos on stay healthy, fit, pain-free, and we upload every day, not upload. Also, you're going to want to join us on our website, bobandbrad.com, because right now we're doing a giveaway of an inversion table called the Teeter.
Yep.
This is really cool. I mean, if you need any decompression to your back, if you have a back injury,
right,
this is the baby
for
you.
And we've got some videos on that, on how to do it properly.
You can also find it on Facebook. It'll be pinned to the top of the page. Go to Instagram and Twitter if you want a short version of us.
Instagram,
short
Twitter.
Version of our program, not a short version of us.
Yeah, that would be tough with Bob.
Yeah.
So carry on, Bob. Oh, is it my turn?
It's your turn.
Okay, burpees. Burpees, Bob. You know, if you've been in fitness, you've probably done burpees, and then we come out with a video and say
we don't like burpees.
We don't like burpees. Although I got to admit, I like them because they are a good
body. They are a very good body workout.
Aggressive, good body workout. It's going to get you tired. It's going to get your heart rate up. But we're therapists. We work with a lot of low back pain. It's prevalent, you know, in society.
Yeah.
And burpees are not nice to your low back.
Yeah. You're getting a real flexion moment on your back.
Right.
I mean,
so we could just go ahead and show you the burpee, but we want to do a little education and say why we're going to change and modify it so it really reduces the stress on your low back. And we do have a guest here today that's going to help us out. And we've got Sam.
Sam's a physical therapist assistant student.
Yep.
So he's in the beginning part of his journey to becoming a physical therapist assistant.
Right. Yep. And you're from the Chicago area?
That's right. And I've been doing wrestling and grappling sports for about 10 years plus now.
Right.
You'll see this when he does his burpee that he's an athlete.
Right. Yeah. He's in that level where.
Don't talk me up too much.
This is going to be, again, this is not going to be for the average person. We're looking at, I think as Sam had mentioned, maybe even like 15-year-olds up to maybe 40. Right. I would say that genre.
Right.
Yes.
This is not for me.
Yeah.
This is not for you.
Exactly. So what's your last name, Sam? I'm sorry.
Erdman.
Erdman.
There we go.
Excellent.
Erdman.
So good. All right. So let's talk about why we don't like it. Sam, can you go down into position?
Normal burpee.
Yeah, just stop where you get down.
Yeah.
Now, right here, if we look at the low back, it's flexed. The hips are in maximum flexion. And we know from studies, and not some studies, if you talk about McKenzie, who's you know, the expert in back pain, this is really stressing the low back, particularly those discs. Okay, so this is the first reason we don't like it. Now go to the next phase, into the plank. And this is fine as long as
this is all good. That's core.
You maintain. Where's a booyah stick?
Oh, they're over there.
Oh, there we go. And that's good. But then go back into the next position here again. And again, I want to show you this. Now, if you do this with a straight back, Sam, can you get into good posture? There. That's much better.
Right.
But when you're fatigued doing burpees, chances of you maintaining that kind of back posture in this position is almost nil, I would say.
Plus the very act of going from plank to this, that's a real strong flexion force on the low back. Right there. Yep.
Now we're talking some
biomechanics and physics.
And then stand up again. So
there's
Sam,
two hurt points basically, pain points on that.
Right.
That
and they're repeated over and over
again. Yep. So
I was talking to Sam yesterday, and I'm in karate. I had been for years. I'm retired now, but so we were talking about grappling and jiu-jitsu and aikido, and we're talking about fitness and what do you do for fitness? And he says he does burpees, and we said, well, we don't really like burpees, but he showed us how he did them, and it's like that takes out a lot of this lumbar flexion, minimizing risk for low back pain, but it gets a little bit harder. But when you're doing burpees, you want that challenge,
exactly.
Right?
Yep.
So you do these for part of your training, correct?
Yes, I do these as a part of my training. It protects you from getting taken down because people are going after your legs, and it's also going to protect your spine as well.
Right.
Yep.
So
agree with that.
I like the way he naturally, you can tell he's an athlete, he's a therapist. He maintains a neutral spine while he
Right.
does these. So let's break it out to the first one. Instead of doing this, you do that, what do you call it, the kick
A
out?
kick out.
Yeah, kick out or a sprawl.
Yeah.
So you start like that. You're
There.
gonna throw your heels basically up behind you
Yep.
towards the ceiling, and then catch yourself in a plank, and that's gonna eliminate that flexion
That
that
flexion
we
moment.
were talking
Right.
about.
Exactly.
Now, the second flexion moment when you bring both knees up on a regular burpee is eliminated because Sam only brings up one knee at a time.
Yep. I like bringing up my my left leg and then
Yep.
turning my hips
Yeah.
out and then coming up. And when I stand up, that's when I bring them square to neutral.
Still a little bit of flexion moment, but not nearly as much.
Right.
And
Yep.
and also it's more like a lunge, as we were talking about, when you're
Right.
picking the object up where you can keep your back straight versus going like this, which is a little more
Right.
harder.
The
on
body
back.
mechanics just promote better posture and better
Absolutely.
mechanics on the low back.
Yeah, and not only is it eliminating that flexion, but when you catch yourself in that plank, it's going to promote the core stabilizers, which is going to help keep that
Sure.
spine neutral rather than flex.
Sure.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Excellent. He's got an excellent understanding.
He does.
Now, this is my favorite part. He gets to work out. We get to watch. Going to do it for 30 seconds anyway, so you can make him. We're going to make him sweat.
All right.
Now, before we do that,
Oh.
you actually do these for up to 2 minutes without stopping.
If I'm feeling lazy that day and I got to do something, I get my butt up off the couch and I'm like, all right, let's do 2 minutes of these and then I can be done. And then
That's a
I can,
lot.
Yeah, it is
That's
a
a-
lot.
that's
It's
a-
a lot.
I
Yeah.
thought about having him go for a minute, but Bob
Yeah.
says we got to get on with the video.
Yeah,
Okay, are you
30
ready?
seconds.
Yeah, I'm ready.
All right.
Okay, go ahead. I got 30 timers going.
There we go.
There you go. Good.
That's 2,
Good. Yeah, this
I
is a
wonder how
lot
many
more
does.
fun. Yeah, yeah. Are you counting?
4. Yep. 5.
Good. It's a
6.
bit of a challenge. You pull one leg up at a time.
7.
There you
How
go.
much time is left? For,
Well, we got 10
8.
seconds. There you go. I like that
9.
kick out.
10 seconds left.
No, well, now we're down to 3. How you
Uh,
doing, Sam?
Pretty good.
And 1 more. Good. That's good.
There you
Excellent.
go.
He got a lot done in that time.
How you
Good.
feel? I'd like to check your heart rate
Yeah,
before.
yeah.
and now.
I was just saying that's a workout.
No, that was challenging, even just that 30 seconds there.
Right.
Yeah.
So you do
All
that
right.
for 2 minutes,
wow.
Yeah,
That's a
if
workout.
That's all I'm going to do that day so I
Yeah.
can feel good about myself.
and then you got to shower.
Yeah, that's right. That's
So
right.
again, obviously, this is not someone who's not the athlete. We don't want somebody going around breaking their wrists. You know, I mean, you got to
Yeah.
really be athletic to do this and,
Yeah.
and younger. So
Yeah, it helps to have a mat or do it outside on the grass.
right,
Sure,
right, very
right,
good point.
right.
So,
So
not a
great.
hard part.
Thank
you.
you, Sam.
Yeah.
Appreciate
Yeah,
all
yeah,
your
well done,
effort.
Sam.
Thanks, Bob.
So,
Okay.
all right, thanks for watching, folks.